Tax lien investing is a niche strategy where you pay someone else's unpaid property taxes to the local government. A lien is a legal claim against a property. When taxes go unpaid, the government places this claim to ensure they eventually get paid. The primary appeal is the interest rate, which is often set by state law and can be significantly higher than a standard savings account. The process involves buying the debt at an auction. If the owner pays back the tax, you get your money plus interest. It is important not to confuse a tax lien with a tax deed, which involves buying the physical property title itself. Investors must weigh the risks, including the property condition and the complex legal process required to claim an asset if taxes stay unpaid. Never invest in a lien without physically inspecting the property and researching its legal status first. Tax lien investing requires local expertise and patience. Always research your specific state's rules before participating. Thanks for watching.